Well, hi everyone. Thanks for clicking this video. It is time for an update. It's been nearly 2 years, so what on earth is going on? Well, about 2 years ago, my wife and I moved to England and we spent almost 2 years there and we just loved it. We were connecting with an amazing church. I was working for a church out there, and now we've moved to Red Deer, Alberta in Canada to help build a church there. You might have seen a video that came up. It was called The Road to Red Deer or something like that. The Red Deer, can't remember, something like that. Anyway, why haven't there been more guitar videos, more music videos, more design videos and all that stuff? Good question. Well, when we moved to England, I didn't take my guitars with me, so that was really hard. And we were living with this lovely lady called Esther, but because we were living with someone else, we didn't really have the space or the freedom to be able to make these videos, so they didn't happen as much. The big question is, what is this channel going to look like moving forward? Well, the simple answer is, I don't know. I've said before, I said before, I don't really know what this channel is going to look like. I love lots of different things. I love making videos. I love exploring technology. I love music, and I love Jesus, and I love talking about Jesus and doing devotionals and preaching and teaching the Word of God. I love all that stuff. So this channel is going to look a lot like all of that stuff. Maybe I'll use it to share devotionals. Maybe I'll use it to talk about some stuff that I've bought. I've bought a lot of cool stuff in the last few months that we've been saving up for. I'm excited to share that and review some of that stuff. Maybe it'll be more book reviews. Maybe it'll be more guitar videos. I just don't know. If you're not into that, that's cool. If you are, thank you. That's great. Feel free to subscribe. I would love it if you did. In the meantime, we have a few videos planned sharing some other stuff that we've been up to over the last months and years. So the next video may or may not be a video about a podcast that we've started, a podcast called the Simple Faith Podcast. More about that in the next video, or there might be a surprise video coming up before then. We'll see. Anyway, hope you're doing well. I'm excited to be doing more videos on here. Speak to you soon. Leave a comment if you have any requests of videos that you would like me to do. And in the meantime, I'll speak to you soon. Bye.